In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the widget board in Windows 11. The widget board is a handy space where you can quickly see things like the weather, news, your calendar, and other useful information without opening a bunch of separate apps. Think of it as a personalized dashboard that lives right on your desktop. To open the widget board, look at the left side of your taskbar. You should see an icon that looks like a small panel of tiles or a weather icon. Click that, and the widget board will slide in from the left side of your screen. If you prefer using the keyboard, you can also open it by pressing the Windows key plus W. That shortcut is especially useful if you like to keep your hands on the keyboard while you work. Once the widget board is open, take a moment to look around. At the top, you'll usually see your main widgets, like weather and calendar. Below that, there's a news feed with stories tailored to your interests. You can scroll down to see more items, and scroll back up to return to the top. To customize the widgets you see, look for the Add Widgets or plus button, usually near the top right area of the board. Clicking this opens a panel where you can choose from available widgets such as weather, calendar, to-do lists, photos, sports, traffic, and more. When you see a widget you want, click it to add it to your board. It will appear at the top of your widgets area. You can also rearrange your widgets to match how you like to work. Just move your mouse to the top of a widget until you see the cursor change. Then click and drag it to a new position. Place the most important widgets, like calendar or tasks, near the top so you can see them right away. Most widgets have their own small menu, often shown as 3 dots in the top right corner. Click this to adjust settings for that widget. For example, in the weather widget, you can change your location or switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. In a news widget, you might be able to refine topics so you see more of what you care about. If there's a widget you don't need, open that same 3-dot menu and choose the option to remove or hide it. This keeps your board clean and focused. When you're done, simply click outside the widget board or press the Windows key plus W again to close it. With a bit of customization, the widget board can become a quick, at-a-glance hub that saves you time and keeps important information right at your fingertips.